What's up everybody, it's Andy here from CryptoComparo.com bringing you another video, and today's video we're going to touch on our update with the DSP token and the DeFi staking platform. So we got in here at number 4 if you've watched the previous videos. If not, there's links to the previous videos in the description below, go and check them out. So yesterday we talked about our strategy and what we were doing. So initially we got in on day 4 with 15,000 Tron. I'm glad we did get in on day 4 because that didn't mature to day 6. Bit annoying, but yes, you get slightly different on the token. But we got in on day 4 with 15,000 Tron, and we've been doing 2,500 Tron ever since. So you can see here that I've got my auction to collect from yesterday, so I'll go ahead and collect them. Okay, I'm just going to show you how easy it is, guys, and then if you watched yesterday's video, anyone who's put the link to the wallet in the link below, I'm going to be using that for my next 2,500 Tron deposit for today. If you're not into this yet, or you want to return the favour, please use our referral link. They are only valid once, so each time you do a deposit, it's just the way the contract is created. So you can bookmark that link, which will allow you to return to the site every day, and then you can do the referral and do the deposit, and then we get contributed to that link. Or you can use other people's links below, but make sure you're using an affiliate link, guys, because you get that extra 5% in DSP. And during these early days, it makes sense to use an affiliate link to get the extra DSP shares, because as this contract goes on longer and longer, you'll be getting less shares for your Tron. So yeah, affiliate link in the description below, please use that to make your deposit. So if we go on to the stake, you can see now we have 402.89. So I think we actually have some divs, so whoever that was, thank you for that. So we go back to the stake. So what we're going to do now is we're going to stake the full 402, and we're going to stake that for 10 days. So that will mature on the, let's have a look, on the, what is it, the 19th day? Yeah, so a bit inconsistent, because you can see that I've done a 10-day here. That's my initial stake. I've done a 10-day, the others a 10-day. I threw in a 5-day there initially, because we're going to look at 5 to 10 day stakes, but I'm going to look at 10-day stakes now, because that way we're going to get at least 1, maybe 2 of the bonus days, which helps the 2x. So we'll do that, we'll lock that in. Just let that update. There we go. So that's locked in now, and that gives us shares. So you can see, even though it's the same amount, guys, that we've been putting in, which is the 2,500 Tron, you can see the shares are constantly going down and down and down. You'll never ever get the same share price as you did up here. So it does help to like dollar cost average into these. Okay, so if we go back to the auction, we're going to do 2,500 today, but I am going to use someone's affiliate link, just so it's complete transparency. I'll do that so you can see the URL. So if we go into yesterday's video, you can see here we've had a lot of views have commented. So I'll just refresh that, but we will be going off the oldest one. So everybody, it's Andy here. So let's have a look at sort by new. Here we go. So unusual Oscar. I don't know if you've used our affiliate link or not. The only way we can check is from your own transaction ID, which we can't do. So we just have to put trust. Trust is very scarce in crypto, but you guys are commenting and helping the channel, so appreciate that. So we're going to click on this guy's link. Okay, and now you can see that it's his referral ID, guys. Yeah. Okay, so just to double check that. There we go. TQTKE. QTKE, and then WQMIH. There you go. So unusual Oscar, I am just about to make a deposit now for 2,500 Tron, and you, my friend, will get 10% of that. There we go. So that's in there now. That's just gone on. So we've done that for you. Please, guys, obviously use our link as well. It does help our channel. So that's that. So we've got 2,500 for today. Referral link is there, it's also in the description. And there's our auction stats. And then if we look at our stake, so we can see here we got in on day 4, but the staking didn't start to day 6 because it's always 48 hours behind, because you have to get in on wait for day 4 to end. It starts day 5. You then have to wait for day 5 to end in order for you to start staking, because it always shows us waiting till the following day. But this was 15,000. We've in our div rewards so far, we've actually got 9,160 Tron. So yeah, that's really good. So we should ROI on that given maybe tomorrow, if not the day after. So it's taken around about 3 or 4 days to ROI now, from initial day 4. So it'll be interesting. This one was 2,500 Tron on the day 7. You can see that we had the first day of staking back, so it was 660, so slightly over 5 to 1. So that'll be 5 days now to get your ROI. That's probably going to come in at 6, because you can see the massive drop in the shares, and that was because from 7 and 8, you can see which would be 5 and 6. That's when we had this big jump in the daily entry point. And then look at yesterday, guys, 17 million Tron in the contract today. Now we're currently sat at 5.7. Let's just refresh it and see if that is still right. Yes, 5.71 in the contract with about 8 hours to go. What I've seen is all you guys in the US tend to get into it before the universal 12 o'clock. So that'll probably pumped up. I reckon we're going to see the same type of figure. So this is why it's so important to use a referral link, because you get that extra 5% of the DSP, which adds up over time. So just to talk through my strategy again, is what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be doing 10-day stakes at 2,500. So that means we should ROI at the minute up before the 10 days, and then we have around about 4 to 3, maybe towards 2 days of profit. So we'll judge that, we'll see that, and we'll keep you guys updated every day. We'll wait until we get one of it'll be this one, the day 13, that gets unlocked first. See what we get back off that, and then what I'm going to do is we'll take this out. I think this one will get took out initially, because that should come in around about 50 to 60,000 Tron. Short-term goals for me is 100,000 Tron. Not only that, guys, are you getting divs on here on Tron, but Tron is only 0.26 cents at the moment. So if Tron was to go, say, 0.26 to 0.3, that's nearly a 20% increase in your money. If we get the start of a bull run and it goes to 5 cents, then you've doubled your money again. So it's well worth getting into this early, guys. And then what we're going to do is, as our 10-day stakes mature and we get them, we're going to see how much profit we've made, if we've made any on the initial 10-day stakes. At the minute, we're just compounding the DSP. And then what we'll do is we'll start reinvesting. So we've got rolling, reinvests, and passive income as well. But yeah, just a short update on the video for day 5. Links in the description below for your deposits. It does help us and it does help you guys as well. But until next time, everybody, goodbye.